אזרחי ישראל, אנחנו במלחמה.
The Indian embassy in Israel issued an advisory for Indian citizens on Saturday as a state of war was declared in the country. The war was declared following a massive attack by Hamas militants from Gaza. The officials asked Indians in Israel to remain vigilant and to observe safety protocols. In a statement, the Indian embassy said, and I quote, "In view of the current situation in Israel, all Indian nationals in Israel are requested to remain vigilant and observe safety protocols as advised by local authorities. Please exercise caution, avoid unnecessary movement, and stay close to safety shelters." The embassy authorities also urged citizens to contact officials in case of an emergency. Israel declared a state of war on Saturday morning after Hamas launched around 5,000 rockets from Gaza in the biggest attack on Israel in years. Multiple armed militants from the group also infiltrated into Israel by crossing the border. As the situation escalated, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu issued a video statement. He asserted that Israel is at war. He said that Israel will win. The Israeli army declared Operation Iron Swords against Hamas militants, and the Air Force has launched an attack with dozens of fighter jets targeting the Palestinian militant outfit Hamas in the Gaza Strip. An intense fighting is underway between the Israeli army and the Hamas militants. Earlier, Hamas military commander Mohammed Deif announced the start of the operation in a broadcast on Hamas media, calling on Palestinians everywhere to fight. Mohammed Deif said that 5,000 rockets had been fired into Israel early Saturday to begin Operation Al-Aqsa Storm. Israel's Minister of Defense Yoav Gallant, following an operational situation assessment on Saturday morning, warned that the Hamas terrorists made a grave mistake and launched a war against the state of Israel. The rocket fire came during a period of heavy fighting in the West Bank, where nearly 200 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli military raids this year. Israel says the raids are aimed at militants, but stone-throwing protesters and people uninvolved in the violence have also been killed. Palestinian attacks on Israeli targets have killed over 30 people. The tensions have also spread to Gaza, where Hamas-linked activists held violent demonstrations along the Israeli border in recent weeks. Those demonstrations were halted in late September after international mediation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.